What did she say?
Tapon in the trash can.
Tapon in the trash can?
Yeah.
Kasya ba ikaw doon?
Yeah, not kasha.
No, what did she say? What did she say? What did she... No, do not tapon. No. What did she say?
So alone?
Yeah.
Why? You're lonely?
Yeah.
Why are you lonely? Tita Jess is there playing with you.
Gagawa ko assignment.
What happened?
Tita Jess.
What did Tita Jess said? Oo.
Magtapon daw ang trash can.
Magtapon siya sa trash can sa'yo?
Yeah.
Is that good or bad?
Bad.
No, don't do that, Tita Jess, ha? Don't do that. Oo. Ato, don't do that. Kantaga lang na akong tayo. Don't do that, sabi kay Tita Jess.
Very noisy ka kasi.
Oh, very
Basta
noisy.
noisy, itapon talaga.
No.
Noisy, maiyak-iyak siya.
Are you crying always? No, don't cry, ha? So that you will not be tapon doon sa trash can.
You want to tapon
Tapon-tapon
there?
lang, Tita Jason.
No,
Why,
Tita.
man?
You don't like there sa trash can? You don't like to stay in the trash can? Why?
Because now we're doing water to trash can.
Yeah. Now we will just give you water if you are inside the trash can. Is it okay? We will just give you water.
Yeah.
So, Tita Jesser will tapon you inside na the trash can.
Ay,
You like
tapon niya
that?
na? Ay, tapon niya?
No.
Ay, tapon niya?
No, sabi don't. Tita Jess, please.
Have to trash can.
No.
Lahat dun trash can, itapon kita doon.
No.
No. Oh, nasabi kay Apa, sumbong kay Apa. Para angry yan si Apa. Sabi kay Apa. Sumbong kay Apa.
The trash can. Sabi, don't put me in the trash can. Angry.
Ate!
Yeah.
Okay na, you're okay now.
No.
You're not yet okay?
Yeah.
You're okay na, kasi not man ikaw tapon si Tita Jess sa'yo. So, no na. You're okay now. O, given kay Apa, kay wala kwan.
Bye.
Be.